What is going on, guys? Happy Monday. We are only a few little things away from riding the 200cc 5-speed shifter race kart.
A few things. Clutch.
That's gonna be a pain.
Wiring.
Trimming down the wiring.
Oil change.
Oil change.
Chain.
Brakes.
Brakes.
And that should be it. You can't change the oil without taking the engine off of our homemade
plate.
Yeah.
But we're going to fix that. We're going to cut a hole in it where the drain plug is. Probably with the plasma cutter. Alright, so that's undone. Oh, I need snips. Right there. Alright, this one I don't need.
No, we can just snip.
Okay. Done. Wow, that thing is
Sandwiched in there. It's gonna be fun trying to get it back in.
Yeah, it's gonna be brutal. Trying to get it back in. Like right here. So I'm guessing starting from this hole right here, just kind of
Scoop it out.
let's see what happens.
Alright, so we're forgetting about the plasma cutter because it's just not rated to go through that thick of steel plate.
Man, 2 bolts to pull the engine off. That's not a lot of work.
It's like maintaining a Ferrari, dude. That engine out oil change.
It'll be fine. Whack it.
There it is. Alright, let's see what this looks like. I'm interested. Oh, there's some big chunks in it, dude.
Chunks of metal?
Yeah.
Wow, it wasn't even close. When I spin it, you see how that chain will move? Mm-hmm. I look to see where it's at, if it's that way or that way on the sprocket while spinning it.
Okay.
And that's how I adjust it.
And so you're just putting a cotter pin in there?
Mm-hmm.
And that's how we're going to keep from losing the brake. Should be it, dog. We should have brakes. That's really not bad at all.
Really?
Yeah, dude. I like it. All right, that's pretty much everything off our list except for
We got to get the clutch.
shifter clutch cable. So we have the super heavy duty cable from our sponsor, GoPowersports.com. I think it's actually a brake cable, but we're using it as a clutch cable. It's pretty meaty, and I think it's going to do the job. Look at that thing.
Mm-hmm.
Ike had a good idea, and that's that we should gusset our brake pedal, because brakes are important. Last thing we want is our brake pedal to come off, even though it's welded.
I'm going to have a hole and a slot right here, and then the cable's going to go boom, right there. It's a little bit of an angle, but I don't care. That ought to do. If we want more travel and a lighter pedal, we could weld a washer on the bottom and move
it down.
Move it down one more.
I see what you're saying, yeah. Yeah, we can do that, and then also have a little stop so it doesn't just flop around like that.
Okay.
I mean, this is going to work for testing purposes, though.
Yeah, but
Speaking of testing purposes.
are you really going to do that?
Dude, I mean, it's pretty awesome. Look at that shifter. I like it.
So the longer the handle,
the weight will shift it.
the weight will shift it, and also when you get excited and you go to shift it, you're gonna
break something.
For
testing purposes, we have this as a shifter. Square tubing, hollow, nice and light, exactly. And just going to weld a carriage bolt onto the end of it so we don't cut our hands on it. This shifter is just for testing purposes, like I said.
I don't know, man, you might like it.
I might like it, but at the same time, I might want to do paddle shifters, or I might want to do like, I don't know, what do the cool kids use these days? Like lava lamps or something for as
Automatic transmission.
Oh, that's true. You know, some people use like, I don't know. If you have an idea for like a shift handle, let me know. I'd love to hear it because it would be cool to do like a unique shift handle on here. Yep. Good?
Not really.
Not really. Why not?
It's very flimsy. It'll probably break for us.
They'll probably break?
Yeah.
All right. Well, maybe it'll last test run.
Okay.
Cool.
Watch that shifter.
Yep. It's even harder to get in now. Oh boy. Oh, the shifter. Oh. All right, we're good.
All right. Now I don't know what gear it's in.
All right, on position. Get that fuel pump pumping.
Choke it.
Choke it. Here we go.
Hold it.
I don't think the clutch fully engages.
You got a little loose. So I guess I wasn't recording there for a minute. John killed the battery from trying to crank it up too many times.
It's embarrassing, but there's a lot to keep track of, for me anyway. Felt super fast in first gear.
It broke loose.
Yeah, it did. Yeah.
The beans in first.
And then I just didn't really figure out how to get it into second. Killed the battery trying to start the darn thing.
That should do it. I think so. Man, it's hot all the way up to here.
Isaac, breaker of chains.
No, not the breaker of chains. It slipped.
I mean, it looked pretty sweet, but wheel hop like crazy.
We can't do burnouts.
No, wheel hop is bad. Yeah. All right, chains fixed. Take 2.
It is pretty fast. Did you hear me last time I went by you in 5th?
Yeah, dude, I was about to like, it sounded like 4th to me, but that's all I heard was 4, but 5th. That was like 1,200 RPM.
Yeah,
and you went by at like 35 or something.
Probably more.
This thing's got a lot in it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a little scary in here.
Yeah, no, it definitely is.
I really don't want to open it up in here.
No, definitely not.
That was not opened up.
Yeah, no.
I still stand by 120 miles per hour. Isn't that what I said?
Yeah.
I think it's geared for a $120.
We'll have to, well, maybe not find out, but we'll have to take it to a stretch of road where we can stretch it out a little more.
A couple of things I think we need to do. One, a different shifter.
Yes.
I'm not real big on that shifter.
Me neither.
2, the fuel pump.
Yes.
We need a lower PSI fuel pump. I think we might need to jet the carburetor because of the exhaust and the air filter. Yeah, it's got a little bit of a dead spot. Probably need to drill out the jet a little bit, or I mean, if they have some to change it.
I originally wanted to build this go-kart because I wanted something that would be really, really fast, but also like somewhat controllable. Like let's put it this way. Right here, we have the Demon. Right there's the Hellcat. A built 212 would be an SRT. And the $50 go-kart would be like the V6. So fuel pump, shifter, take it out and stretch its legs. Put it up against Ike's 72-mile go-kart or even the rail. I mean, honestly, I think this thing feels faster than the rail, but feels faster does not necessarily mean is faster.
True.
It's definitely scarier, and it probably is a little bit faster than the rail, but like we keep saying, the rail is like designed and built to go fast. It just, well, we just need a little bit more power. Well, the power is fine. It's
the power's fine. It's the weight.
Yeah, it was built too freaking heavy.
It is way too heavy. Although I don't see any way of making it any lighter.
So boost.
Apart from going with chromoly tubing.
Or a 9-year-old. So it's only 200 cc's, but it's a 5-speed, and it makes at least 16 horsepower. Well, I don't want to say at least. It says 16 horsepower. But we have a header on it, and a high-flow muffler.
Unjetted.
Yeah, we need to jet it.
So it might be 15 horsepower.
Yeah, who knows? All I know is that it's very fast. Very fast.
It is.
You mentioned that like it's nowhere close to as fast as the Ducati.
Yeah.
But like it's like this is at least a little bit manageable. This is very
It
manageable.
is more
if
manageable
you're not
than
in it.
the Ducati.
Yeah, yeah. And that was the goal. That's what I wanted to build with this thing. So I'm personally very happy with it. I think it looks sweet. It drives pretty well. I just want to be able to open it up and not have to worry about our fuel dumping out of the carburetor.
That's your favorite thing?
That and 8,500 RPM.
Okay, well then I take it back then. My favorite thing is the diamond plate floorboard.
Okay. Awesome. So let us know what your favorite part about this whole project has been. Like I said, the 8,500 RPM Redline, the 5-speed, the diamond plate. Love to hear your thoughts. Check us out on Facebook and Instagram at Cars and Cameras Reviews.
Check me out at Isaac It'll Be Fine.
Got to thank our sponsor, GoPowersports.com. Thanks for watching. We will see you Wednesday.